Hi everyone, my name is Riley. Today this video will be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And do you know I'm also 7 years old? So if you might... one last question I want to ask you. If you solve this Rubik's Cube before, you can see how I do. And then if you haven't, you can take your 2x2 Rubik's Cube out and try to solve it. So anyway, let's just begin. So first you might want to just do this and make sure you have 3 like that, and 1 white piece line up going to show. So anyway, let's just do it. And then we want to go right inverted, down clockwise, right, down clockwise, and just keep on repeating that. Right inverted, down clockwise, right, down clockwise, right inverted, down clockwise, and keep doing that. Okay, now we got white soft, and we want all the matches to be fixed, so it's like that. So if you have 2 of them, you have 1 of them, make sure they are facing away from you, and you have 2 of them, make sure 1 is only facing away from you. And if you don't have a single match, you're just going to do this algorithm twice, and then your match would be solved already. So anyway, let's just go. You want to go right inverted, down clockwise, right, left inverted, down clockwise, left, right inverted, down clockwise, right. Now if you have 1 match on your cube just now, your whole cube will be finished already. And then you want to go to the bottom, and you have 1 yellow piece, 2 yellow piece, or 2 yellow piece like that at the top right over here, just like 2 of them right over here. And if you have no yellow piece, it's okay. You have 2 yellow pieces, make sure they are over here, and you have 1 yellow piece, make sure they are here. But for now, make sure if you have another 2 yellow piece lined up in the diagonal side, you might just want to put it here and here. So anyway, let's just go, and the algorithm goes right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, twice, right inverted. Now I got 1 yellow piece, and I'm going to put it in the bottom left corner and do it once more. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, twice, right inverted. Now I got 1 yellow. Now I got my yellow side off and my white side off. And if you didn't have your yellow side off, you just keep on doing those stuff, and then we are going to solve the whole cube in this step. So this step, if you want to see any matches, that you could just do this, that you could just make it solve in like that or like that. So anyway, if you have no yellow piece, you have no matches, then you could just use my algorithm, and the cube will be solved. So anyway, let's just go. The algorithm goes right inverted, clockwise, right inverted, the back side, counterclockwise twice, right, clockwise, right, the back side counterclockwise twice, right twice, the back side counterclockwise twice, and I'll have one match on my cube, and do it once more again, right inverted, clockwise, right inverted, the back side counterclockwise twice, right, face clockwise, right, the back side counterclockwise twice, right twice, and back side counterclockwise twice, and the cube will be solved. So anyway, now I'm going to show you how fast I solved the cube. So I'm just going to destroy, and you can see. Okay, so I'm going to go. My dad would start it. So anyway, you could start it now, Daddy. 3, 2, 1, go. And $38 seconds. Okay, now you can stop the. Now we will say goodbye to each other, and then you could, if your cube is not solved, you know what happens, because you are facing the yellow side, not this side. So you must face this side and do my arrow. Alright?
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.